Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the beetle blocks and 3D design of beetle blocks. So in order to have a complete full-fledged class about what is beetle blocks, then first go to Google and type beetle blocks in the Google search bar. Click on first link, that is beetle blocks visual code for 3D design. It will open the home page of the beetle blocks. So click on run beetle blocks option, which will open home page of the beetle blocks editor. This is the home page of the beetle blocks editor. In this page, we mainly consists of three areas. One is leftmost is the instruction area, where we consists of set of instructions. From we can select it from different types of menus. In this part, the menus are motion, shapes, sensing, variables, control, colors, operators, and my box. All these are nothing but these are different types of menus. So here, uh, all these are known as instructions. So a group of instructions uh, as it appears. So this area is known as instruction set. These are the these instructions plays a major important role in our designing part, in which based upon our desired output, we will use those instructions in a proper manner. So the middle centermost part is known as programming area. It is another most important area in our designing part, in which whatever we have instructions in the leftmost part, we will use those instructions in our programming area in order to get our desired output. So whatever the coding part is done in the only programming area, and rightmost is the part known as output area. It is also known as results area, in which whatever we have written the code in the programming area, it will produce the output in this output area, in which we mainly contain beetle. This is known as the beetle. We can have an option to put off the beetle by simply disabling this beetle checkbox. If we disable the checkbox, the beetle will put off. If we want a beetle again back, simply enable the checkbox. So we can have the option to put off the axis, put off the grid, to put off the mode. Mode in the sense, we mainly consist of two modes, 2D and 3D. As it is now, it enable the 2D mode, in which we able to see only two axes, X and Y. If we disable this 2D mode, we able to see the three axes such as X, Y, and Z. If we put off the grid, simply the grid will be removed from our output area. So these are the options which we can put off or put in. So in order to create the 3D, we have 3D objects, 3D different types of objects in our instruction area. We can select any 3D object from shapes menu from the instruction area. Now I'm using cube instruction, whatever the instruction to be used in our, it should be dragged from the instruction itself. It is a simple task which we have consists of just we have to drag the instructions which we want to get in our output. So I have selected cube. Yeah, one cube has been came here. Now, when we want to start our program, we have different types of instructions, such as we can control our program in an easy manner. We have to drag this one. Whenever we click these green flags, the program will run. See here. Whenever we click, the cube has been appear instead of beaten. So, but in order to remove, in order to reset any option which we have did recently, so we have another option, another instruction as reset. Simply do drag and drop. Then by clicking on reset, the cube has been removed from our output area. Instead of clicking reset again and again, so we have another option which we can easy our task by adding this instruction known as when space key is pressed. When space key is pressed, it will go to reset option. See, once have a try. When we click on green flag, it will start. Beetle is replaced with cube. And when we enter space from our keyboard, it will reset. And we have another option such as this yellow color is known as pause button. We can pause the program in the middle, and this red color button is nothing but it can stop whenever we are performing the execution. We may stop in between.